Hey, what guys, this is your friend Captain here. I was back with another video, and in this time around we are going to talk about the foldable smartphones, the market of the foldable smartphones, how good they are, and what are the future plans of the foldable smartphone. This is Captain here as you're watching Keras and Yaras. So let's get started. With the concept things, and in the 2012 and between 2011 to 2013 there were a lot of concepts going on regarding the foldable smartphones. We have saw the Samsung very first, and then a lot of different companies such as Royal Korea Crops and different companies. Many didn't came out well, many didn't make their name in this foldable things, but after a long time many things that the very first available foldable smartphone was Samsung Galaxy Fold, and that's true. It was the very first foldable smartphone which was consequently available for the public, and but it wasn't the very first made. It was Korea Crops. I don't know the pronunciation, and the relay afterwards they made their very first foldable phones, and their foldable phones were likely into a concept too because of kind of a different type of hardware they are doing, and it was unusual, they tuned up, and yeah, it was a very first time, and it was really good looking also on the top. But followed by the Samsung, a lot of companies came up into this foldable sector, even though in LG came up too in this foldable sector, but with their very own conceptual design, which was really first thing which I would really catched up that this is a really good design. I want to talk that in a bit how they came up and how I like that designs. Followed by LG, as I told you, followed by Motorola Razr, yeah, that very first flippable smartphone which was a really good looking, and it was really compact in the hands too. Followed by the Flip Central, Flips, Folds, and each and every type of concept we have saw. Currently, if I do have to say so, there are some companies who are into the foldable market, such as Samsung, then you got is Huawei, Honor, LG. LG is opt out, but you can still, if you dig it around your hands, you can grab that foldable smartphone. And there is also Motorola, and the Motorola Razr, yeah, you can judge that, even though 5G was there. And yeah, those were some of the companies who make the foldable smartphones, and they're consequently available for us to buy it. And Huawei Honor, just keep it aside because they aren't globally available, and even though there are some companies who hadn't distributed this smartphone globally due to the pricing. Yeah, we're gonna talk that also in a bit. But very first, as per me, was the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 1. There were some too much controversies regarding the display, and later on it was discontinued and came up with the Z Fold 2, and followed by a lot of different sectors for the foldable smartphone came up with the different companies. A lot of different concept have been going around with the world, which are really liked by me. Firstly, let's talk about the concept. I like that concept of the Oppo. Yeah, Oppo Find, and I forgot to add that it is also available, and Vivo's very first foldable phone is also consequently available. I'm waiting for the OnePlus one. That's how good and innovative it is. Let's talk about the concepts for the Oppo. They showed up in the CES, and it was really nice. I like it, and it was really touch for me. And before that CES concepts, I like that foldable smartphone which was going like this and goes inside, and it was really fun, and I like that concept really. And as for me, that was one of my favorite concept, followed by that compact design which is like this flippables, and they have done really nice, and I like that design too. And kind of say concepts are too much, so Samsung, yeah, I like the Samsung's concept a lot, that dual displays which goes and goes. That was one of my favorite concepts from the Samsungs, and Oppo's was that flippable goes like this and comes in. I like those two both concepts. I'm thinking when they were going to be consumerly available for us to test and do the stuff which I was imagining in my hand, that's gonna be a really nice. The smartphones of the foldable which I personally loved, and I wanted to grab that hands on for me personally, but yeah, I won't be able to get those on. Firstly, the Microsoft Fold 2. Microsoft Surface Duo 2. Yeah. You might be thinking, hey, it's a really, really ugly looking phone and it don't get out in the hands. I like it. You know why? Because of the that screen. That is not a plastic screen. That's the reason very first. And due to not so much optimization of the operating system, that's the only way I was lagging back for getting that phone. But by the time I was thinking for when the LG G8 Flex, G8X, I forgot the name, G8X think you was, yeah, that's the phone. It was really, really fun and it was really, really nice. Why? Because if I want a single phone to go around and carry it up, then I can grab that normal phone. But if I want a dual phone, then I can grab that case and put my phone in, grab it on, and boom, I got a dual screen. And many games were even though optimized for that phone, LG G8X, think you I'm talking about. And it was a really, really good concept. Both the screens were actually the same, and both the screens were able to catch up the same design and stuff, which was a really, really nice thing. I don't know why it didn't came up properly, not catched up into the minds of others, but it was a really good phone. Followed by the LG's only phone, which was the Flex, and I kind of say it wasn't a foldable smartphone, so we won't be talking about that. That wing, yeah, sorry, not the Flex, that wing. It was a really, really good phone. And personally speaking, on the third list of my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. This is a huge tall phone and it opens like this. It is really, really good. Even though it is really well optimized phone, so I like it. Even One UI is kind of say really flourished over that design. So yeah, that's the reason I like that is three of the smartphones. And so let me just grab it once more. On number one, I will click the LG G8X. Thank you. Yeah, it is a really nice concept. Number second, Microsoft Surface Duo 2. I like it. That's the only reason OS has been lagged out. On number three, Samsung Galaxy Z3. Yeah, currently Z3 is left. Z Fold hasn't been announced by the time of this video has been shooting. Why Z3? Let's talk about that too. Some of the down points of the smartphones, of the foldable down point of the foldable smartphones. Basically, the display itself. I'm not talking about the front display, the foldable phones, inner displays. And these displays are mostly made out of plastic, and that's the reason I hate to use the smartphones. And most of the phones have that dust, which if it goes inside, then you're gonna be hearing some sort of crunchy sounds, and it doesn't feel really nice too. If you are living in a dusty area, if you go out with if construction sites are behind your areas or around your areas, then you're gonna be feeling that thing. So that's the one reason. Number second, not headphone jack. See, you might be thinking, hey, it's a 2022, 2023. I don't know which year you are from watching, but this is 2022, and you are still caring about the headphone jack. Hey, I'm a headphone jack geek, and if the company gonna be adding headphone jack, it's gonna be really, really nice. If you don't want a headphone jack, go with the wireless. Why you are taking out and hey, buy this? No, if you are giving the foldable smartphone, or you can say a bigger size of screen is there, must give the headphone jack because it's a need. Number third thing, the weight. Even though these are the foldable smartphones, that's the biggest reason the weight of the smartphones are really, really heavy. It is around 300 plus grams, more than enough, and more than that things. And number four thing, the leg of the battery. I know battery is a crucial point, so most of the smartphone is got a well optimized over that foldable things. Most don't have the well optimization for the foldable smartphones. 4400 mAh isn't that much capable, so yeah. It got the dual battery by the way, so yeah, it depends upon how you use. But if I have used a foldable smartphone for one day and it wasn't that much lagged out, it was heating up a lot, and even though it was having a problems regarding the battery. So yeah, I don't know about that product, but it wasn't mine, so I don't have to care about that phone. There are some down points, then there are some good points of the foldable phones too. See, if you are a person who is like, getting a tablet and a phone together, then you can grab this and do a lot of stuff. It's gonna be really well organized on your one single-handed phone, foldable phone. Number second, gaming. Yeah, if you are into a gaming, then you know smaller displays aren't that much capable. If you are into gyro, four finger and each and every stuff like that, then you're gonna be thinking that gaming is good on the foldable smartphone. I did that and it feels really nice. Especially talking about the Z Fold 3, yeah. So yeah, it is really good for the gaming. And number third, if you are into editing and if you have a lot of presentations and lot of stuff, then you can grab the foldable smartphones, because you know you can do a lot of sketching and stuff with their own very type of illustrator pen or anything like that, stylus basically. So you can optimize that thing, so it is really nice. Number 4 point, the dual connectivities. If you, yeah, as I told you, iPad or you can say tablet or smartphone is there, you can combine it and have a single-handed phone. So it is a really nice thing. So those were some good points. You can grab a foldable phone, but gaming doesn't mean, hey, I want to gaming, then I will buy. No, it is a conceptual thing that I was really able to good, really happy while playing on that foldable smartphone. That doesn't mean you also gonna be having that same things. So let me know your pros and cons about the foldable smartphone in the comment section down below. It's gonna be helpful. Let's talk about some of the future plans of the foldable smartphones. There are a lot of big tech companies who are thinking to go into this foldable market, and there is a huge demand of the foldable smartphones in the market. Personally speaking, on the budget side, it is really hyped up of the sector for the foldable market. And if I do have to say so, there is Apple's very own foldable smartphone coming really soon. Google, even though they hadn't announced one in the I/O, but it has been delayed and soon gonna be making their very first foldable smartphone. Number third, OnePlus is also considering to believe in the foldable smartphone market, and they soon gonna be bringing one. I can't ever say OnePlus gonna be partnering with the Oppo has for me. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. Even though Oppo is thinking to bring some of the budgetified based foldable smartphones to make sure that each and every one get a really good foldable smartphone. I like the concept, but I'm especially excited for the iPhone's very first. How it's gonna be sounding like iPhone Fold. I don't know how it's gonna. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. There aren't that much companies who think gonna be making a foldable smartphone, but hey, foldable smartphone is a huge market and it is in the flagship thing. So yeah, it is a different market. There are smartphones like basic, normal smartphone, then there is foldable market. It is not a smartphone, not a tablet, it is dual combined, so it is known for foldable phone. I won't be calling it a smartphone because it's a foldable phone. Those were some of the things which I want to talk about the foldable smartphone pros, cons, what are the future plans, how the foldable smartphone evolved into the market, how it is creating a hype. Yeah, that is a really big thing, because many people want to test it, from the from the small child to the adult, grown up adults. They all wanted to grab this phone because it looks something different than a normal smartphone. That's why it is not a phone, it is not a smartphone, it is known by foldable phone. What do you think about the foldable smartphone? Let me know in the comment section down below. This was Captain Yaras. You're watching Yaras and Yaras, and if you end up liking this video, make sure you do it if you hadn't done yet. And if you want to connect like this type of stuff, press the bell icon so you won't be missing any type of that videos. This was Captain Yaras. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.